Hi everyone. So the first thing we're going to do in this section is download Tableau Public. So if you type it into Google, we'll just click on the first result that appears. You'll land on the Tableau Public homepage. And I have signed in here, but you will need to create an account to be able to use it. So yeah, if you go create, download Tableau Desktop Public Edition. So this is the free version. Okay, I'm not signed in. I'll just sign in and then I'll be able to download it. And then when you're signed in, you'll just see this page, so you can download Tableau Public, select your region. So I just put New Zealand, and then, but you obviously would have to select your own region and then download the app. And then you'll just have to wait for it to download, and then you should see it on your desktop. And then from this page, you just, if you want to read the license terms, you tick I have read and accept the terms, and then you click install. I'll just pause the video now while this installs for me. Okay, so it has now been installed, and you can see if you open up a new workbook, this is what it looks like. But before we start using it, we're going to need to get some data to connect to. Now, if you go to catalog.data.gov/dataset, you'll see many US government data sets. I'll just go to the home page here, for example. And then you have the option of most viewed data sets or recently added data sets. And even if we go to most viewed here, for me, electrical vehicle population data is at the top. But you may need to search it if it isn't. It just depends on whenever you're viewing this video. But we can just download the CSV below it here. So that's what I'll do. I'm also going to upload this to the resources as well, just in case you don't want to download it from the website. And then whenever we open it here, so it is a CSV format, but we'll save it as XLS. So let's just, yep, we can see we have all our columns, but we can look at this in Tableau further. We're not going to make any changes to it now. But if you just go File, Save As, it's currently a CSV, but just below the name, we can just change this to Excel Workbook or 97 to 2003 Workbook. Tableau will be able to connect to both. So I'm just going to go with Excel Workbook and save it. Okay, and then we can close out of this. And if we open up our Tableau Workbook, on the top left here, you can see the option to connect to data. So let's just click on this. And then, so you have the option of Google Drive, PDF, etc. But we're going to go with Microsoft Excel. And then just in my downloads, we can click on the sheet that we just saved. Okay, so let's just click open. And it might just take a little minute, but it's going to load the data into Tableau. Okay. Didn't take too long. So now that it's all been loaded, you can just see all the columns here that were in our spreadsheet. So in the next video, we'll start working. I'll do an overview of Tableau and we can start creating some visualizations. So I'll see you in the next video.